Open the Message app on your iPhone. Go to a chat or conversation where you want to send a letter message. Now, from the conversation, tap this plus icon. In here, find out Send Letter. Select Send Letter. Now, tap on Today and select a scheduling date. And select a time. You can also select AM and PM. Once you selected the exact date and time to send or schedule the message, now tap on Send Letter. And here, go ahead and write the message. Now just tap on Send. And we can see I've successfully scheduled a message. And now in your message, if you don't see the Send Letter option, in this case, you must need to update your iPhone to iOS 26 or newer version. So just go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on General, Software Update, and now from here, go ahead and update your iPhone.